I'm doing a quick video of my MSI GT70 20D laptop, which overall really pleased with, but it's developed a bit of a whining or whistle noise on the fan, and this is a video so that I can email it off to MSI Support to hopefully get it resolved. It just needs a replacement fan. So I've just started it up. You can hear it. A bit quiet. You can hear it straight away. Just log in. So it's right from the boot screen. You can hear the whistle noise. It's definitely going to not be operating system dependent. I have to have a clean reinstall just in case it was something, but no, unfortunately it's not. Now I've also installed a fan control application to try and identify what's going on. Oh, so hopefully you can hear it. It oscillates up. I think it's getting to around 30% fan speed, and at that 30% it gets quite unpleasant. There's a nasty whistle. Then it goes back down again. Now, and it seems to do that. If it's set to auto, it'll just keep going up to that 30% every so often. It's a little bit annoying. With the fan control, I can override it. I can set it just to 10%. Let's go and set it. There it's now, it's usable, but it does still override it sometimes. 20%. 30% starts to get very annoying. It's like a real high-pitched whistle that goes right to the back of your head. The highest fan speeds, they seem to get rid of it, whether it's just concealed by the rest of the noise, but at these lower fan speeds, and it wasn't here when I first got the laptop, it's kind of just appeared, and yeah, it's not very pleasant at that speed. It really is horrible. Anyway, fingers crossed we can just replace the fan or something. It should be an easy one. And that's it, hopefully that's come through.